In progress.
Hello. So, good morning, good evening, learner, our mentee. So, like we've started our Angular series. So let's try to understand about the component. Today, we'll understand about the components. So, what are components? Let me explain you component. So, components are the basic building blocks for our application. Okay, let me use this whiteboard. Text. So there are three very important things, in Angular components. So it contains three parts. It contains a class, okay, component. So components, three. One is class. The second one is template, and the third one is the data. These three things constitutes your components. So what is template? So template is something which is the view part. Okay. It contains HTML. Okay. Class is the, like we create class in our Java C# application. Okay. So to create components, we use TypeScript. In previous classes, I've explained that. So class, so we use the class keyword and its contain properties, which is your data, which is your logic part, business logic part, correct? Business logic part, and then decorators. So decorators contains your metadata. It has more information about your class. Okay, so decorator are like attributes in C# or like annotations in in Java classes. So decorators. So one decorator we generally we use at the rate component. Let me show you, the default application which we have created, and automatically it shares page. So let me share that screen where I can share the new share. Okay, let me select the new share and let me share this. Yeah. So I hope you are able to see this application. You remember for this tutorial, we are taking this student management system, and here in app.component.ts, click this and see. So like I mentioned, your component will have one thing that is class, okay, and then a template. So here it has given template URL. We can take template also, and then your component. Okay, so there is component, there is I mean, this component is our decorator. The important thing is the template URL and the selector. So this selector works as a directive. So wherever you will use this selector, automatically whatever is written in this component.html will start appearing here. Okay. So I hope this is clear. What is component in Angular. Okay. Let me show you one more thing. Share. So So a component in Angular. So this PPT I'll share and you can download. I'll share this link and you can download this. So components are the basic building blocks for our Angular application. Okay, it has class, it has view template and set decorator. So template, class, and decorator, these constitutes, these are the basic things which is required to create a components. And template is our UI part. Okay. And then classes we know, which contains our properties and data. And then metadata. Okay, metadata for class is the decorator. Okay, we'll talk more about component. Just you make these understanding that the component is the basic building block for our Angular application, and it contains three things: your template, your class, and decorator. Template is your HTML part. Okay, what data you are going to bind, what will be your directive. Class is the logic part. I mean, with data and the logic part. Class we use class keywords, and the decorator is like at the top of our class what we write. Okay, it's similar to C# attributes and Java annotations. Okay, so I mean I'll create more information just to keep. I got few request from people, like rather than making a long video, it should be small video. So I'm just creating this small video for you guys. There will be 4 or 5 videos for components so that you can understand in a better way. Okay, thank you.